Nishchay, great to have you on AI in Action. We are in this series just trying to understand how Indian startups and the startup ecosystem is adopting AI tools, integrating it into their business processes, and what are the outcomes that you're getting. And we would love to understand that as a gold-saving app, how is JAR really adopting AI across its functions?
Thanks for having me. Thanks for making us part of SPF family. It's quite exciting for us for sure. JAR is serving a wide range of consumers. We have users across 12,000 pin codes. People from all walks of life use JAR. We have users who are like small kirana shop owners to regular job goers, be it from manufacturing, sales, IT, BPO, agriculture, a lot of industries. And apart from that, we also have people from walks of life like semi-skilled, unskilled or skilled labor, be it carpenters, plumbers, electricians, delivery boys, cab drivers and all. So we have users, and from such wide range, the product has to dynamically cater to every use case. You can't have one size fit all. And when it is so dynamic and so diverse, AI plays a very crucial role in engaging consumers across the spectrum. We use AI in almost all departments, be it engineering, product, design, marketing, customer care, and also growth functions.
Let us divide it one by one. Let's first talk about product and how AI is helping you improve JAR as a product.
See, two phases to it. One is improving the efficiency of the team members, how they're adopting AI, how they're able to faster iterate designs, faster iterate experiments, do A/B testings and all of those things, how they have integrated a couple of localized AI tools for Figma and able to produce localization at a much faster pace, almost 10x more speed at this point of time. Apart from that, how they are designing nudges, how they are engaging consumers using AI. That's where product is using AI very consistently and effectively.
What about other functions, customer support? I think that is the most common one where...
Yes, customer support is something which is still moving from bot canned responses to AI, still in a very early phase. We are still trying to find effective solutions where voice is going to be much cheaper. It's currently very expensive. And the current options around voice is very textbookish. So we want it to be sounding more spoken language rather than news language or probably textbook language.
And so you think that is one area where we can see a lot of, I would say, development and evolution of AI come through. We are still in early stages.
Absolutely,
there.
yes.
Yeah.
See, our consumers want to talk. They don't want to chat. My consumers are very comfortable. Even WhatsApp, they send voice notes. They are not comfortable typing long.
And India is a very voice market.
It's a very voice market. The way our parents also have adopted WhatsApp is through voice. They search using voice. So voice and video will be the forefront. So we are heavily using voice-led guidance systems for customer care. It's like if you can solve most of the issues within the product through voice-led solutions, like status updates, issue resolution, and all of those things happen through voice itself. And slowly it trickles down to the customer care where a human have to take over. But then AI will play a role there in assisting our customer care team to know the context of the consumer's pain point and provide much faster solution in a much faster manner. Be more empathetical with the consumer. Don't waste his time with, okay, what problem are you facing? We can directly get into the problem statement.
So it is, the adoption is in its nascency, but do you think that there will be like almost a hockey curve effect in terms of, how it's going to change the way JAR is doing business? And what about, how much of an impact will it have on jobs?
See, what I personally feel is it will make teams more efficient. See, for whatsoever reason, we are always under the assumption that there's only so much work left in the world. So AI will come and finish all of it. It's not going to be the case. Life is continuous progress, and there is always less number of people available to solve more critical problems. I think it will make people efficient to solve those critical problems much faster and move to the next problem. So the time taken to solve problems will actually shorten rather than telling that it will take away jobs.
All right, Nishchay, time now for some rapid fire around AI. So let's start by asking you your favorite AI tool.
I was an early adopter of ChatGPT, so I just stuck around with that.
Yeah, but you experiment a lot with other tools?
I experimented with Cloud, Replit, and all of other things. But the latest version I'm playing around with GPT-5, I'm loving it.
Nice, nice. Any AI founder you're particularly inspired by or you follow closely?
I'm more of an application guy. I'm not a deep tech guy, to be very honest. So I like anyone who is solving everyday problems more efficiently for lot of people. One of the things I like is Nyay Nidhi, built by Aditya and team. They are solving litigation and all of other things. The process of documentation, which usually takes 10 days, they are squeezing it to 2 hours. The company called Vaya, built by Mahin, they have built an amazing Astro AI platform, helping people to answer everyday questions around their own lives. I'm liking the one tool that we use internally is built by a company called Dubverse, which we use for dubbing videos across multiple Indian languages. Like that, there are many tools the team continuously uses. They keep bringing me new tools that they are currently using. I'm quite excited about the application phase. I believe in what Nandan Nilekani says, that there's a greater opportunity in building application layer at this point of time, and India you can't find a better market than India to be that. I think India will do that leap. I mean that jump. Like we went from without going to desktop or laptop, we directly went for mobile computing. Same thing will
Similar,
happen.
you're saying that we may not have the LLMs, but
Not just the LLMs, directly the use cases. Indians may not be searching on Google, but Indians will directly start searching on some GPT tool, is what I feel.
anything about AI that scares you?
I think it makes the entire world look alike. There might be a loss of original thought in long run.
Right.
That's what scares me. I like an human element in everyday life, or else I think it will become very boring, plain, and simple. Is what I. That's what
Some would think the opposite, that AI is making life more exciting, but you're saying it is
short term. I'm talking about long term. Long term, everyone will give the same answer. For example, before mobile era, I may take a particular view, you may take a particular view, and we can argue about that particular fact for a very long time. Now you directly go to Google, ask for it, and that conversation ends there.
correct. Correct.
I think it will become more boring in long run. We'll lose human element, is what I fear.
We'll lose the human element. All right. You've obviously been playing around with some AI tools. Anything about AI that amused you or surprised you? Any hallucination or anything?
So what surprised about our own behavior? It was the switch from Google to an AI tools for asking questions was very fast. I never thought that we'll do that switch so fast.
Right. And now it's just completely shifted.
Yes.
You have an 8-month-old, so clearly now you think this is going to be the AI generation. Our kids, for them, AI world is the world they will know. So
yeah, I think, for example, our generation, telephone and TV was for 80s and 90s kids, telephone and TV was taken for granted. 90s kids, internet was taken for granted. For this generation, I think AI will be taken for granted.
Right. Last question, any word or sentence to describe AI and how it's going to transform the world?
For a country like India, for underprivileged people, access to information in an actionable format is amazing with AI. I'm quite excited about it. The demographic dividend that we have can actually play out if we enable people with right tools.
Nishchay, anything about AI that actually annoys you or irritates you?
I think AI is a people pleaser. It conforms to everything that you ask. If you run 2 parallel sessions and ask same question, so about same topic in 2 different ways, it conforms to both opposing views. Back in the days, one of the fearful thing about say social media algos was that it only brings content which conforms to your belief system, and it kind of solidifies what you believe. And I think AI will do it more efficiently now. At least it was someone else's view. Now it is AI's view.
Yes, supposed to be intelligent.
Supposed to be intelligent. So it's even more
scary
in those terms.
Correct. Absolutely. Thank you so much, Nishchay. And here's wishing you and the JAR team the very best. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much.